Hi everybody, it's Larry. In this video, we are going to take the very first steps to build a theme from scratch before we go into learning how to build a child theme. There can be a great deal of time spent creating a theme from scratch, but our goal here is just to have a theme that gets identified by WordPress and is available in the themes section of the dashboard. So, a couple of things need to happen in order for WordPress to identify a theme and consider it valid. So I'm going to use WinSCP to complete this. And here I'm inside of my theme folder on this site. But the first thing is that it needs to have its own directory. So I'm going to create a new directory and call it new theme. Okay. Number two, we need to have the existence of a file called style.css and not styles.css, but style.css. So let's create a new file. Okay. It has nothing in it right now. The third thing is we need to add a little comment section to the top of this file. WordPress reads comments in files a lot as part of its functionality, which is kind of odd. So at this point, I like to, I'm going to Google create new theme WordPress. And it's always best to read the codex. Theme development, okay. Looks good. And basically read all this. Great. Oh, that's great. I've read all this. Sorry. What I'm looking for is actually this. These are the example comments that actually register a theme. So I'm going to copy those and paste them. Oops. Paste them into my new file. Paste them right here. Okay. Now these, everything before the colon, I would consider it a label. And that's some meta information that will be displayed largely on the theme page in the dashboard. But I'm going to cut this down to the bare basics and just say the only thing we absolutely need is theme name : and I'm going to give it an actual readable name here called new theme and save it. Now at this point, let's go back to the dashboard and refresh and see what happened here. Okay, I'm looking for this new theme, and okay, shows me I have a broken theme. So something is missing. It says template is missing. Okay. We need to, a valid theme in WordPress will have to have both the style sheet and a file called index.php. Exactly index.php. So and currently there's nothing in it. Actually, I'm going to put in some test stuff here. Hello. And save it. And let's see if that fixes my new theme. Refresh. And here we go. New theme. Doesn't have what we call a screenshot. I'll show you how we add that later. But let's activate it. Let's see what happens when I activate it. Okay. Go back to my site. Here we go. It's our brand new theme. It has one page, and all it does is display hello. Okay, so that's really all it takes to start your theme out. You have about 300 to 300 hours of development time filling this in, so that it might look something like 2016. It's a lot of work, but these are usually pretty small files, very similar. You can use some of these to drag over into your new theme to use to get you started. Okay, but as an added bonus, let's see what it would take just to put a little screenshot here on it to help identify it in the dashboard. The rule on this is that there needs to be a file in your new theme. Let's go back to our new theme called screenshot.png. We don't have that. I happen to have one downloaded to my computer. Let's slide that up there And I believe this is a screenshot of the 2016 theme. Let's go back to our theme page. And there we go. So a fairly simple process. In the next video, we're going to learn how to set up a child theme. And I've decided to go with the child theme in class because just to save us some time. When you learn how to build a child theme, it will teach you how to build a theme from scratch. And when you learn how to build a theme from scratch, it will teach you how to build a child theme. There's just a few key differences. See you in the next video.